Hello, tender minds. Hope you all are safely confined within the four wall of your houses. I am Muskan Narang, and this is my first video lecture of this chapter 10. In this lecture, we have come up with a very interesting chapter, that is shape and patterns. Chapter number 10 of Maths of Class 1. First, let's see which topics we will cover in this chapter. We have two main topics under it. First is shapes and second is patterns. Under shapes, again we have subtopics: plane shape, solids, and rolling and sliding. Our objectives of studying plane shapes are: student will learn how to pronounce and spell plane shapes. Student will be able to identify the shapes of various objects around them. Student will be able to learn different plane shapes, and student will be able to know the properties of plane shapes. Now we will see the objective of solids. Students will learn the English names for shapes they speak in other languages. Student will be able to identify specific shapes. Student will be able to identify the shapes of different objects in daily lives. And student will be able to speak and spell the solid shapes. Now let's see the objectives of rolling and sliding topic. Students will know how different objects move. Students will understand the properties of solid shapes which enable them to roll and slide. Student will know whether they roll or slide, and student will know which objects around them slide and which roll. Let's start our first topic, plane shapes. There are 5 main plane shapes: square, triangle, rectangle, circle, and oval. First, we will understand what is square. A square has 4 sides and all its sides are equal in length. For example, shape of the chessboard, carom board, blocks of your math notebook, etc. There are some more examples of square: a clock, a biscuit, a square mat, a TV, etc. Now, we have a triangle. What is its color? Right, green. A triangle has 3 sides and the sides can be of the same length or different lengths. A triangle has 3 pointed edges. For example, the shape of sandwich, etc. These are some more examples of our triangular objects: a watermelon slice, a mountain, a birthday cap, a tent, etc. Now, let's move to a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and its opposite sides are equal. For example, shape of the currency notes, an envelope, etc. These are some more examples: the chocolate you eat, the door you enter through, the ice cream you eat, etc. Now let's see what is a circle. A circle has no side or corner. For example, the shape of the coin, a clock, a wheel, etc. Let's see some more examples: the face of the earth, sun ball, and compass, etc. are circular. Last plane shape we have oval. Which color is it of? Yes, yellow. So what is oval? An oval has an egg-like shape. It has no side and corners. For example, the shape of the soap, etc. These are some more examples of objects having oval shape. A hot air balloon, a coffee seed, a soccer ball, etc. are having oval of shape. That's all for this topic. Now we will meet in the next video. Hope you all are finding this chapter interesting. Stay home and keep learning. Thank you.